Ever feel like your website visitors are just aimlessly wandering around, clicking on things like they're killing time in a furniture store? Let's fix that. Today we're talking about CTAs, or call to actions, the not-so-secret weapon for turning passive browsers into active leads and eventually paying customers. If you're a marketer or business owner, stick around, because we're breaking down what CTAs are, why they're essential, and how HubSpot's latest functionality can help you track and optimize them like a pro. So what exactly is a CTA? A call to action is basically your way of saying, hello, stop lurking, do something. Whether it's filling out a form, downloading a resource, booking a call, or just clicking a link. CTAs are the digital equivalent of a friendly nudge, or depending on your style, a firm shove. They're everywhere. Buttons, links, even plain text, and they're the key to guiding your audience through their journey with your business. Without them, your visitors are just loitering. No one likes a loiterer. Now, why are CTAs so important? Think of them as the GPS of your marketing strategy. Without them, your visitors are left to wander aimlessly, like someone who refuses to ask for directions. And when people don't know what to do, they usually do nothing. That's a missed opportunity to turn visitors into leads and leads into customers. CTAs provide clarity and direction, helping you move people through your sales funnel with purpose. Let's be honest, if you're not telling people what to do, they're probably just scrolling through your site while half watching Netflix. Here's where HubSpot comes in. HubSpot makes it ridiculously easy to create CTAs and place them across your website, landing pages, and emails. But here's the kicker. Creating CTAs is only half the battle. If you're not tracking their performance, you're basically wasting your time and just doing it all for nothing. That's where HubSpot's new CTA Performance Analytics comes in to save the day. HubSpot's latest feature takes the guesswork out of CTA optimization. With this ability, you can track exactly how your CTAs are performing, how many clicks they're getting, how many conversions they're driving, and more. It's a game changer for marketers who want to fine-tune their strategies. If a CTA isn't pulling its weight, you'll have the data to figure out why. Is the messaging unclear? Is the placement off? Or maybe that button color is less click me and more meh. The best part? HubSpot's analytics let you experiment. You can A/B test different versions of your CTAs. You can tweak the design, adjust the copy, and see what works best, all in real time. It's not just about creating CTAs. It's about continuously improving them to maximize results. And let's face it, there's something deeply satisfying about having cold, hard data to prove that your Download Now button is outperforming your Learn More button by 37%. It's the kind of thing that makes you feel like a marketing genius, or at least like you've earned that second coffee. So why does this matter? Because CTAs are the linchpin of any marketing campaign. Whether it's an email, a blog post, or a social media ad, CTAs are what turn passive audiences into active participants. But without tracking their performance, you're essentially playing darts in the dark after a few too many drinks. HubSpot's new functionality gives you the insights you need to make informed decisions, optimize your efforts, and ensure your CTAs are doing their job, driving conversions. If you're not using CTAs yet, it's time to start. And if you are, make sure you're leveraging HubSpot's abilities to get the most out of them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making HubSpot work harder for your business. See you next time. And remember, a good CTA is like a good cocktail. Strong, clear, and impossible to ignore. Happy HubSpotting.